welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would teach you guys how to use the Dyson Airwrap curler. I've had my Dyson for over 2 years now and I swear it's a game changer, especially if you're like someone who loves to style their hair. So right now my hair is like 80% dry, and that's when I would also suggest that you use your Dyson Airwrap or any sort of styling tool, because I'm just gonna be curling my hair today, so I thought I would use the curler.
This is the 40mm barrel I use for loose curls, and this is the 30mm barrel that I use for tighter curls.
So I dried my hair using the Dyson hair dryer. It looks like this, so the air comes out like this, but you can also like turn it and adjust it to which direction, and it helps you get rid of these like flyaways that come in. So I really like it. I would suggest, if you guys have like a heat protectant, use that. I do not, so I won't be using that in this video. But also let me know if you guys want me to film like a blow dry your hair kind of routine, because I would love to do that. But I do want to try using the blowout tool to do my bangs, my curtain bangs, so let's try that out. So I got these clips from Miniso. They're literally the cutest thing out there. First I would like to section my hair. I don't section my hair that often. I think I like it when I just part them in two directions, but today I'm gonna try using this and like just curling these bangs. So this is in place. I look a little funny, and this is how I divide my hair into two. The best thing about this Dyson is that it has these settings, so you can change it to whichever direction you want. So I'm gonna do my right side, so I'm gonna change the setting to the right side, which it already is, and then I'm gonna take a piece of my hair like this and then just turn it on left. I just let it grab the hair and pull on it a little, and then the curl falls like this. If you use the smaller barrel, it would give you much tighter curls, but I do not want tight curls right now, so I'm just gonna go like this and kind of like hold it, pull it, and take it all the way up to my root. Stop and see how it flows. And because I'm using the bigger barrel, it's much easier and much faster to do your hair if you're like running late and you want to get it done. And that's it. That's my one side done. Now on to the other side. So I will change it back to the left side, and then I will let it be and let it grab my hair how it wants to. And that's it. That's how easy it is. If you want it to stay longer, make sure to use like a hairspray, but I don't. I kind of like the blowout look, so I might just go like straighten them out a little bit with a brush. And now for the moment of truth. Oh my god. And this is literally, oh, I love it. Oh, wait. Oh my god, that's perfect. See? And it falls on your face so perfectly. I usually would curl these two with this, but today I don't know why I didn't. But like, I love it. This is how you can curl your hair with the Dyson. Use a heat protectant if you can. The real question is the Dyson worth it? For me it is, because I do like curl my hair quite often, because I'm filming a lot of the time, I'm making reels, I'm shooting my YouTube videos, and I love how it looks. And also, after coloring my hair so much, my hair has gone through a lot of damage, even though it may not look it, because there's the Dyson, which is making my hair look so perfect. Now this will last me up to like 3 days. And thank you for watching. Let me know if you want to see more of such videos. Let me know if you want to see a blow dry routine. Subscribe if you want to. Thank you for being here. Like, share, comment, all that good stuff. And like, yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.